The fifth and final step of your application profile is the document upload. The exact list of documents depends on the category you selected earlier, and once that category is locked, it cannot be edited. All documents must be original. Each file must be under 5 megabytes in size, and the portal accepts JPG, PDF, and PNG formats. If the original document is not in English, you must provide a certified translation and upload both together. If you are registered under NRI, but also want to apply under the Children of Seafarers or Merchant Navy quota, tick the Belongs to the Merchant Navy checkbox at the top of this step. And 3 additional documents specific to that quota will be added to your list. The common documents every applicant needs include a recent passport-size photograph of yourself with a clear front-facing view, your passport or country ID card with the first and last page scanned and merged into one file, your signature on a blank white paper, your grade 10 mark sheet, your grade 12 mark sheet, your passing certificate, and your birth certificate. If you are applying for a postgraduate course, you will also upload your graduation mark sheet with all semesters combined into a single PDF. Depending on your category, you will also upload documents like your OCI card, your NRI, or CIWGC certificate issued by the Indian Mission Abroad, your parents' passport and nationality certificate, a valid visa copy, a work permit or employment letter, a 6-month foreign bank statement of the candidate or parent or guardian, and proof of residence of the parent such as a driving license, telephone bill, property tax receipt, or income tax return copy. If you are applying as a minor with a guardian, you will also need a court order of guardianship issued under the Guardians and Wards Act. If you qualified from abroad, you may also need to upload the AIU eligibility certificate from the Association of Indian Universities, New Delhi. Merchant Navy applicants must additionally upload the Continuous Discharge Certificate, the DG shipping record with the INDOS number confirming sea service of more than 182 days, and a letter of employment from the RPSL shipping company. You also have space to upload optional documents like your entrance exam scorecard, final year mark sheet, or any other supporting certificate. If you need to upload anything extra, click the plus sign to add more documents. Once all documents are uploaded, your profile completeness hits 100%, and only then can you move to the next stage. One important reminder here, for medical courses, the NEET entrance exam is mandatory, and for Bachelor of Architecture, NATA is compulsory.